Hi, Adele here for Digitally Yours, and I'm going to make this tutorial to show you how to share information on a Google Slideshow. Google Slideshows are great ways to make collaborative slideshows to gather information from other people. Sometimes, as in this case, it's for a course. I use it often in the classroom when I want to gather information for students. So this is a short tutorial to show you how to do it both on the computer and on your cell phone. First thing that you'll do is you'll get a link. The way I do it with my students, for example, I send them a link in the WhatsApp, but it could also be sent in the mail. You go into the Google Slideshow, and as it is with this specific course, we're being asked to take a selfie and put up a picture of ourselves. So I'll show you how to do that first of all on the computer, and then I'll do it on the phone. So here's the sample slide of what they want us to do. Our name, school, a selfie, and why this photo is special. So I'm going to go on to a new slide, and my name is Adele, and I'll write in my school. And I have a picture that I took just before, so I'm going to upload it from my computer. I can make it smaller, like cut out information that's not relevant, crop it. And there I have my selfie. And I'm going to add some information about me. There we go. Each person that goes in has to find a slide that's empty and write on it. Now I'm going to show you how to do that on your cell phones. So here's how it works on the smartphone. I sent the link to myself in WhatsApp, which is how a lot of you will get the link. You can also get it through email. And you have to be signed into your Google account in order to be able to edit a Google Doc, whether it's on the phone or on the PC. So I'm going in, and the task is to take a selfie and to fill out this information on an empty slide. So this slide isn't empty. Here's an empty slide. And all this I'm doing on my phone. I'll fill in my name, my school, and I will take a selfie. So I've taken a selfie. I'm going back into the slideshow, and I'm going to upload the picture. Go into image. Now if I'd done this from the beginning, I could have taken it right off from the camera, and that would have been easier. But here I'll just pick the image that and putting the image in. And that's how it's done on the cell phone. So if you don't have your computer with you, that's fine too. I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, you're welcome to write to me and ask me about it. I suggest you try this out with your classes. It's a fantastic way to get kids collaborating. And don't forget to subscribe. Where is it over there? It's over there. Bye. Digitally Yours.